In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Microsoft Outlook. This is a handy tool if you're looking to gather feedback, opinions, or even make decisions efficiently. Polls can be a simple yet powerful way to engage with your email recipients, whether they're colleagues, clients, or customers. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Outlook account. You can do this by simply visiting the Outlook website or opening the Outlook application on your device. Enter your login credentials, and you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where all your emails are displayed. Next, you'll want to start a new email. You can do this by clicking on the New Message button, usually found on the top left corner of your screen. This will open up a new Email Compose window. While in the Email Compose window, direct your attention to the toolbar, where you'll notice an option labeled as More Apps. It might look like an icon with 3 dots. Clicking this will reveal additional features and integrations available for use within Outlook. Within the revealed options, look for and click on Apps. Once opened, among the selections, you should see an option called Polls. If you don't see it immediately, there's no need to worry. You'll need to click on Get Add-ins, a feature that allows you to browse and install additional functionalities. In the Get Add-ins section, you can search for polls using the search bar. Once you've located the polls add-in, follow the prompts to install it. Installing new add-ins only takes a few moments and will enrich your Outlook experience with more productivity tools. Once the polls add-in is available, go ahead and click on it. A panel will pop up on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to enter your question and provide several answer choices, which can be as open-ended or as specific as you need them to be. After setting up your poll question and possible responses, you'll want to insert this poll into your email. You can do this by simply clicking on the Insert Poll into Email button. At this point, your email is almost ready to be sent with the poll embedded. The final and amazing feature about this is that your email recipients can vote directly from the email. It's streamlined and user-friendly, ensuring more respondents will take part in the poll. There's also an option for recipients to click a link to vote via Microsoft Forms, which grants more options and possibly richer data for your analysis. And there you have it. A powerful way to engage your audience by creating polls right within Microsoft Outlook. Your feedback is now more accessible than ever, making decision-making smarter and faster. Thanks for tuning in and happy polling!